Behind every price move is a story of buyers and sellers, who was aggressive, who was absorbing, who ran out of conviction first. And while a standard price chart gives you the ending, order flow is how you read the whole thing. Hi, this is Shannon with NinjaTrader. Today we're breaking down Orderflow Plus, NinjaTrader's premium tool suite that gives prop traders visibility into actual trade activity. We're talking footprint charts, volume profile, VWAP, cumulative delta, TPO charts, and more. And if you're trading through a prop evaluation or managing a funded account, confirming setups with real order activity is what turns a pattern into a process. So let's get into it. Most futures traders are working from the same price data. Order flow is what you do with it, digging into what produced that price, who is behind each move, and how much conviction was actually there. Price charts record outcomes. A candle closes green or red, and you know where the market landed. Order flow trading goes one level deeper, revealing the actual bids and asks that drove each price move, letting you see whether buyers or sellers were more aggressive at a given level. Prop evaluations are built to encourage consistent, disciplined decision making. Order flow gives you the data to back your decisions before you take the risk. So let's walk through what's in the suite and how each piece fits. Volume profile is a histogram overlaid on your chart that shows how much volume traded at each price level over a given period. It comes alongside the volume profile drawing tool, which lets you define custom time ranges to isolate profile data for any window you choose. Together, they show you where the market spent the most activity and, by extension, where it avoided. Use them before the session opens to identify key reference levels the market is likely to revisit or reject. Volumetric bar charts, also called footprint charts, display bid and ask volume at each price level within a bar, giving you a view of buying and selling pressure as it develops. You're seeing the granular push and pull between the buyers and sellers at every increment inside a bar. Layer them onto your existing chart to see whether a price move was driven by conviction or whether one side was quietly absorbing the other. VWAP, or volume weighted average price, serves as a dynamic intraday reference level that lets you measure whether price is trading at a premium or discount relative to the session's average volume weighted price. It shows you where value is being established on the day, updated continuously with each transaction. Use it as a bias anchor. Price holding above VWAP signals bullish context. Sustained trade below it signals bearish. VWAP tells you where price stands relative to where the most trading has already happened. Order flow cumulative data aggregates buy and sell volume over time into a running delta, and the order flow trade detector identifies large prints as they occur. Together, they show whether net buying or selling pressure is building and flag institutional-sized activity in real time. Watch the running delta alongside price direction, because divergence between the two tends to be more actionable than confirmation. The market depth map visualizes resting limit orders across multiple price levels in real time. You're seeing where large orders are queued, potential support, resistance, or liquidity targets. Watch for large limit order clusters being pulled or absorbed, since those shifts can frequently precede significant price movement. And rounding out the suite, NinjaTrader's market profile brings time price opportunity, or TPO, data into your chart. Each TPO letter captures two things: the price level the market was trading at and how long it spent there, with each letter representing a 30-minute window. Volume profile data can be layered on top to further validate the significance of those levels. Each of these tools answers a different question about the market, and their value compounds when used together. Volume profile sets the context, footprint charts confirm the execution, and cumulative delta validates the momentum. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more where this came from. So let's go deeper on a few of these, starting with footprint charts. Footprint charts surface two signals that standard candles hide: who was more aggressive at each price level, and whether that aggression actually moved the market. At each price increment inside a volumetric bar, Orderflow Plus displays contracts traded on the bid versus the ask. When ask volume significantly exceeds bid volume at a given level, typically flagged at a ratio of 3:1 or greater, it indicates aggressive buying. The inverse signals aggressive selling. These imbalances tell you who was willing to pay the market price to get filled, bar by bar. Two patterns are especially worth knowing: absorption and exhaustion. Absorption occurs when one side repeatedly hits a price level, but price doesn't move. The other side is filling every order without budging. Exhaustion looks similar but resolves differently. After heavy one-sided volume, the aggressor gives up and the price snaps back sharply. Recognizing the difference between those two scenarios in real time is one of the highest value applications of footprint data. Footprint charts stress test your entry model. When your setup aligns with the pressure shown in the volumetric bars, you have both the signal and the confirmation. Not all price levels are created equal. Some are backed by heavy volume and extended time at price, while others are thin and easily broken. Volume profile and TPO charts each reveal a different dimension of that strength. Volume profile within the Orderflow Plus suite shows where most trading activity has occurred at specific price levels, helping you identify the point of control, value area, and high volume nodes that often serve as support or resistance. The value area represents the price range where approximately 70% of volume was traded during a given session. High volume nodes within that range are natural magnets for price to return to, while low volume nodes are areas where price typically moves through quickly. Where volume profile answers how much, TPO charts answer how long. If a price level had a wide TPO distribution, the market spent time there. A narrow distribution or a single print area signals rejection. When a high volume node from volume profile aligns with a balance zone on a TPO chart, the overlap may help traders identify areas of market interest. All that said, a setup that looks clean on a price chart can still fall apart if the underlying order activity doesn't support it. VWAP and cumulative delta each add a layer of validation. Unlike a static moving average, VWAP recalibrates with every transaction, making it a live reflection of the session's evolving value area. Mean reversion setups tend to target VWAP as a natural destination. Breakout setups use a clean hold above or below it as context confirmation. Either way, VWAP gives you a reference calibrated to actual volume. And here's where cumulative delta gets interesting. When price makes a new high, but cumulative delta is falling, buyers may be stepping back even as price climbs, which can signal an unsustainable move. The same logic applies in reverse. Price making new lows while delta turns positive can suggest sellers are losing control. Spotting these divergences in real time is one of the most actionable signals available through order flow trading. VWAP and cumulative delta operate on different timescales. VWAP works at the session level. Delta works at the bar level. Using them together can help you confirm both the broader intraday context and the immediate order pressure. So here's what a practical daily routine with all of this could actually look like. Before the session, use volume profile and TPO charts to map key reference levels from prior sessions. At the open, anchor your bias with VWAP. As price approaches your levels, watch footprint charts and cumulative delta for confirmation, and use the market depth map to monitor liquidity shifts in real time. Prop evaluations and funded accounts reward traders who can execute a consistent process under pressure, and this routine is one possible way to build that process. Price tells part of the story. Orderflow Plus tells the rest. Like with any analytical method, order flow tools are interpretive and do not predict future market movement. What they do is read actual market activity, and that reading is what can separate a good-looking setup from a confirmed one. Pair that with the discipline and capital management mindset funded trading demands, and you have a process built up to hold under pressure.